As a homeowner in Knoxville, you're always looking for ways to enhance the value of your home, whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to increase its overall appeal. One of the most effective and rewarding upgrades you can make is window replacement. While it may not be as glamorous as a kitchen remodel or bathroom overhaul, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient options can significantly improve your home's market value. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can boost your Knoxville home's value, from enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Enhanced curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers notice when they approach your home is its curb appeal, the exterior attractiveness of your property. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look dated and poorly maintained, even if the rest of your house is in excellent condition. By replacing your windows, you can instantly elevate your home's appearance and create a more welcoming atmosphere. Modern window styles. Replacing outdated windows with modern, stylish windows can significantly boost your home's exterior look. Whether you choose sleek casement windows, double-hung windows, or picture windows, new windows can provide a fresh, polished look that adds charm and character to your home. Color and material options. New windows come in a variety of materials: vinyl, fiberglass, wood, and composite materials, each with its own aesthetic benefits. Customizing the window style and materials to complement your home's architecture will give it a modern touch, increasing its appeal to potential buyers. Window replacement enhances your home's curb appeal, helping it stand out on the market and catch the eye of potential buyers. Improved energy efficiency. One of the top concerns for homeowners in Knoxville is energy efficiency. The local climate, with its hot summers and cold winters, can put a strain on your home's heating and cooling systems. Old windows, especially single-pane windows, are poorly insulated and allow drafts, which results in higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient, double-pane windows equipped with low E-glass coatings can significantly improve your home's insulation. These windows prevent heat loss during the winter and block out unwanted heat during the summer, leading to a more consistent indoor temperature. Lower utility bills. New windows also help reduce the load on your HVAC system by maintaining your home's internal temperature. As a result, you see a reduction in your heating and cooling costs, making your home more affordable to live in. Home buyers will appreciate the long-term savings on energy bills, which can make your home more attractive to them. By installing energy-efficient windows, you not only increase your home's value but also make it more attractive to buyers who are conscious of energy costs. Increased natural light. Natural light can make a huge difference in the way a home feels. Homes with ample natural light tend to feel more inviting and spacious, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Bigger, brighter spaces. New windows, especially larger windows or sliding glass doors, allow for more natural light to enter your home. This can make your spaces feel larger and airy, providing a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Natural light can also enhance your home's overall ambiance, which can influence a buyer's perception of the space. Improved views. New windows offer clearer views of the outdoor space, which is particularly beneficial if you have a beautiful garden or scenic backyard. With modern window designs, you can bring the beauty of your surroundings indoors, which is a big selling point for homebuyers. Installing larger or more strategically placed windows can open up your home to natural light and create an inviting atmosphere, ultimately boosting its value. Better home security is a major concern for homeowners, and replacing old windows can significantly enhance your home's security features. Older windows often come with weak locks, damaged frames, or single panes of glass, all of which make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Stronger materials and locking systems. New windows are made from stronger materials such as tempered glass or laminated glass, making them much harder to break. Many modern windows come with multi-point locking systems and improved security features that deter burglars and keep your family safe. Storm protection. Impact-resistant windows or windows designed for storm protection also provide additional safety benefits, especially in areas prone to harsh weather. These windows can withstand high winds, flying debris, and even prevent water infiltration during heavy rains. By upgrading to secure, impact-resistant windows, you'll not only protect your family but also add to the overall safety of your home, which is a valuable selling point. Increased property value and market appeal. Ultimately, window replacement is a smart investment in increasing the value of your home. Buyers are always on the lookout for homes that are well-maintained, energy-efficient, and stylish. Modern windows offer all of these benefits, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Higher resale value. Homes with new windows typically have a higher resale value than those with old, outdated windows. Buyers are more likely to choose a home that has already been updated with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing windows, as they know they won't have to deal with the expense and hassle of replacing the windows themselves. Faster sales. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows often sell faster because they offer both immediate comfort and long-term savings. If you plan to sell your home in the future, replacing your windows can help you command a higher price and attract more buyers. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your Knoxville home's value. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing natural light and security, new windows provide numerous benefits that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable living environment, replacing your windows is an investment that will pay off in both financial value and quality of life. If you're ready to make a lasting impact on your home's value, consider upgrading your windows today.